Relationships often fail when needs stay unspoken, and listening turns into defending. Fix 1. Translate complaints into needs. You never help becomes, I need support and teamwork. Today. Fix 2. Use repair language early. I hear you, let me repeat what you mean. Then we solve it. Fix 3. Timeouts without abandonment. I need 20 minutes to calm down. I will come back at 6:30. Fix 4. Appreciation daily. Specific, not generic. Thank you for doing X. It made Y easier. Fix 5. Don't problem solve too fast. Sometimes empathy comes first. Solutions come second. Fix 6. Schedule hard talks. Don't ambush. Pick a time. Protect the tone. Fix 7. Weekly relationship review. 10 minutes. What worked? What hurt? What we try next? Closing. Communication is a skill, not fate. Subscribe for the next system.